to welcome to Label Expo Jeffrey Arippol, who's President and CEO of Novelprint from Brazil. Jeffrey also was honoured at the Global Label Awards with the Continuous Innovation Awards. I was on the judging panel of those awards, and it was a unanimous decision. It's extraordinary really what Jeffrey has achieved with his company. So very, very well deserved winner there, Jeffrey.
Thanks a lot, Danny.
So I'd like to ask you, how many years have you been coming to Label Expo Brussels for, Jeffrey?
I think I started in England actually, the very first one in the early 80s.
Wow.
I remember meeting Mike at the time, and actually it was even before. In the late 70s we met a couple of times, and I didn't miss one of them since then. Both here, the States, and I've been a couple of times even in China.
Right. And how important have the Label Expo shows been for the development of your business?
So how good was it? Oh,
yeah,
it's very important, not only what the machine we see and the innovations, but also the contacts, very, very important. There's a lot of networking happening, and I have friends from all over the world. And that helps a lot, I'm sure, all of us,
Right.
It's a mutual.
Right. And is there any particular technology that you're here to see, or are you just walking the whole show?
Well, there are several things I'm particularly interested in at the moment, but the main one obviously is digital. We have avoided really going into digital up to now because we felt the cost of producing it was too high, but nowadays with so many options, I think it's the right time to go into, and we're probably choosing jet technology.
Right.
We feel that it's well enough developed nowadays to be the main way of digital printing.
Right. And is that because the run lengths are getting shorter?
Yes,
in Brazil?
Shorter runs, of course. This is very important, but also to do numbering or special finishing on existing labels too. There's a good market for that too. We do a lot of booklets and things like that, which I think digital will help us personalize more and do special things.
Right, right. And how is your business going in general at the moment in Brazil?
Brazil hasn't been hurt like all other countries, like the States and like Europe. We're lucky for that up to now. It's slowed down a little bit, I think, but still there's a lot of opportunities. And as it's starting at a much lower base than you, so it's easier really to achieve growth, higher growth rates.
Right. And you said earlier, Jeffrey, it's very much a global show. Do you see in the future developing global partnerships, perhaps with?
I think it's very important nowadays. In Brazil, you have at least 4 different companies already, multinationals, who bought in local, and of course we have to think of joining others to create partnerships in order to be able to become a global player. And we're trying to set up a kind of a network of companies all over the world to do that.
Right. And I noticed that your son is here with you.
Excuse me? Yeah.
Your son is here with you at the show?
Oh, yes, Derek is my son.
Yeah,
He's here with me, and he's really excited. He likes a lot digital, of course. That's he's born in that, so it's much easier for him than it's for me.
And this is his first Label Expo?
No, he's been in the one in Chicago last year too.
Right.
That's his second.
Fantastic. Well, very best of luck, Jeffrey.
Thanks
and
a lot.
lovely to see you in Brussels.